How to manage group warnings on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage group warnings on Facebook Mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings and then go down, and here you will find activity log. Click on it and go down, click group, communities, events and reels, and go down. Here you will find this one, group warnings. Click on it and here you can manage group warnings on Facebook Mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.